PaulRNiven, Balanced Scorecard Step by Step, Maximizing Performance and Maintaining Results. The book The Balanced Scorecard Step by Step, Maximizing Performance and Maintaining Results by PaulRNiven sheds light on one of the most effective strategic management tools, the Balanced Scorecard. The summary provides a comprehensive overview of the Balanced Scorecard, a system which helps organizations overcome common barriers and deliver outstanding performance. The scorecard, developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton, creates a balanced approach of financial and non-financial measures, ensuring that organizations address critical aspects such as customer satisfaction, internal processes, employee skills, and financial performance. This introduction will provide a brief glimpse into the process of creating and implementing the Balanced Scorecard, focusing on its benefits and impact on organizational success.
Overcoming barriers with Balanced Scorecard. Organizations face challenges executing their strategies due to barriers such as the vision, people, management, and resource barriers. The Balanced Scorecard provides an ideal solution to overcome these barriers by measuring performance and implementing strategy. Developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton, the scorecard includes various activities throughout the organization, such as customer issues, internal business processes, employee activities, and shareholder concerns. This system has been successful in many organizations, including nonprofit and public organizations. The scorecard provides a balanced approach to combine financial measures with other drivers, leading to improved financial performance. However, building a coherent balanced scorecard requires the knowledge of the organization's strategy, markets, competitors, processes, and competencies from multiple individuals within the organization, not just the CEO. A holistic approach to business success. The Balanced Scorecard extends beyond financial measures and includes 4 perspectives: customer, internal process, learning and growth, and financial measures. The customer perspective involves identifying target customers and choosing an approach to focus on operational excellence, product leadership, or customer intimacy. The internal process perspective focuses on key processes to add value for customers. The learning and growth perspective looks at employee skills and information systems to improve performance. Finally, the financial measures perspective evaluates how well strategy execution is reflected in improved bottom-line results. Starting with the Balanced Scorecard. The Balanced Scorecard is a tool designed to help organizations with performance measurement and strategy implementation. When getting started with the process, it's important to choose the appropriate organizational unit based on 7 key criteria, including strategy and sponsorship. Once the unit is chosen, finding executive sponsorship is crucial, and a team should be assembled to implement the process. The team should include influential members of senior management as well as an organizational change expert. Each team member has specific responsibilities, such as assuming ownership and providing expert knowledge of their business unit. With the Balanced Scorecard, it's important to maintain balance and avoid focusing too much on specific areas of measurement. Achieving strategic objectives through a Balanced Scorecard. A Balanced Scorecard program involves 3 phases: planning, development, and communication. The program consists of a set of measures that represent the tool for leaders to communicate with employees and stakeholders. In the planning phase, it is crucial to develop objectives and create a balanced scorecard team. The development phase involves gathering background material, conducting executive interviews and workshops, establishing targets, and developing an implementation plan. In the communication phase, the objectives for the communication plan must be set up, and the method of delivery and message provider should be established. The program ensures the accuracy and integrity of financial measures while balancing it with the organization's performance drivers. Implementation of the Balanced Scorecard program helps in achieving strategic objectives while creating value from the organization's intangible assets. Developing a Balanced Scorecard strategy. This book suggests using a balanced scorecard approach to implement organizational strategies effectively. To develop a balanced scorecard, create a strategy map with specific strategies for financial performance, customer interaction, internal development, and learning. Set targets for each strategy and prioritize initiatives using 3 types of long-term targets: big hairy audacious goals, mid-range targets, and short-term or incremental targets. To determine targets, consider feedback from employees, executives, customers, and other stakeholders, as well as industry benchmarks and internal and external assessments. Implementing a balanced scorecard strategy involves 4 steps: developing an inventory of initiatives, gathering information on each initiative's cost, benefits, linkage to strategy, key players, and timeline, mapping initiatives to objectives on the balanced scorecard, and prioritizing the initiatives to implement. To create an effective balanced scorecard, develop it with a team of individuals that include your organization's mission, core values, vision, and strategy. Cascade your balanced scorecard to create organizational alignment by using the high-level scorecard as a template to create aligned scorecards throughout the organization. Cascading allows creating dozens of scorecards that are aligned with overall goals, allowing for efficient allocation of resources to support them. To motivate employees to support these initiatives, link rewards to performance based on the high-level organizational balanced scorecard. However, implementing a balanced scorecard strategy can take between 4 to 12 months, depending on the organization's complexity and readiness for change.
In conclusion, the summary of a balanced scorecard step-by-step, maximizing performance and maintaining results offers readers valuable insights into the creation and successful implementation of the balanced scorecard in their organizations. By understanding this strategic management tool, readers learn the importance of achieving balance in measuring and managing both financial and non-financial drivers of organizational success. Moreover, the balanced approach ensures that an organization remains focused on meeting the needs of its customers, employees, and shareholders, eventually leading to enhanced performance and sustainable results. The balanced scorecard has the potential to revolutionize the way organizations plan, measure, and execute their strategies, paving the way for a future filled with growth and success.